Okay, so real talk. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, like just staring, thinking, I need a change like now? Hair can seriously change your whole vibe, right? Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Jennifer Angular, and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, we keep it real. We talk beauty, style, and all the little things that make us feel our most confident selves. And today, girl, we're getting into the best human hair wigs to buy. Yup, this is the ultimate guide for literally every girl out there. Whether you're new to wigs or you've got a whole collection at home. I got you. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code, available link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Go Lace Front Human Hair Wigs. Okay, Sue, before we dive in, can we just admit that shopping for wigs online is low-key stressful? There's so many options: lace fronts, closures, glueless, HD lace. And half the time you're like, wait, what even is a 5x5 closure? And why does the wig look different when I wear it? Girl, I got you. Let's break it all down and keep it super real. So, Go Lace Front Wigs. That just means the wig has lace at the front, duh, right? But here's why that matters. It gives the illusion of a real hairline, like a scalp. It melts into your skin and makes it look like your hair is growing right out of your head. And that's what we want, natural vibes only. Wigs aren't just about beauty or switching up your style. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or just want the freedom to change your look without damage, you deserve to feel beautiful and seen. Number 4, Glueless Wigs Human Hair. So first off, glueless wigs are made to stay without glue. They've got adjustable straps, combs, and elastic bands so the fit is secure. And with human hair, the quality is soft, flowy, real. Plus, you don't gotta worry about that whole messy install routine or damaging your edges with glue. Just pop it on, fix the part, lay it if you want, or don't tan, you're good to go. Okay, so this one right here, it's the Glueless Curtain Bang Human Hair Wig from Amazon and Baby YE. She's a look. I'll link it below. But let me tell you the tea real quick. It's got curtain bangs that frame the face, Sue, nicely pre-plucked hairline. It already looks natural. It's 180% density, so it's full but not too heavy. And it's glueless, no glue, no spray, nothing. For a lot of us, wigs are so much more than just style. Whether you're protecting your natural hair, dealing with hair loss, or just love switching up your look like I do, you deserve something easy, something cute, and something that makes you feel good. And glueless human hair wigs? They do all of that without the stress. Number 3, Dark Brown Wigs Human Hair. So real quick, let's talk color. Dark brown is that girl. It's soft, natural, flattering on literally every skin tone. And it gives main character vibes without doing the most. Sometimes black can feel a little harsh or too heavy, especially in natural light, but dark brown, it's warm, it's cozy, it's chic, period. Plus, when it's human hair, you can straighten it, curl it, even dye it. It moves like real hair because it is real hair. All right, now let's talk about the wig I'm wearing, which I found on Amazon, and honestly, she's giving effortless. It's this KKU dark brown human hair wig with bangs and ooh girl. Let me just run it down. 100% human hair, natural dark brown color, super wearable, pre-styled with bangs, no lace, no glue, no drama, and it's super lightweight, I forgot I was even wearing it. This one is perfect if you don't want to deal with lace fronts or gluing down baby hairs. Number 2, Wear and Go Glueless Wigs Human Hair. Okay, so if you're tired of melting lace for 30 minutes trying to find the right glue that won't betray you halfway through the day, or pulling at baby hairs for dear life, then yeah, you need one of these glueless human hair wigs. They're like the sweatpants of wigs. Comfortable, effortless, still cute. So the wig I'm wearing is the FTQZKE Glueless Wear and Go Human Hair Wig. It's pre-plucked, has a 4x4 closure, and the hairline? Already natural looking. What I love is it's 100% human hair. Sue, you can straighten it, curl it, whatever. No glue, no gel, no spray. And the fit is so snug and comfy, it literally feels like a hat. A cute hat with hair. Like I said earlier, this is a get up and go wig. You overslept? Still cute. Running late for brunch? Still cute. Easy, beginner-friendly human hair, and still giving I woke up like this energy. And the one I'm wearing? 10 out of 10. I'll drop the link below so you can peep it for yourself. Number 1. Highlight Ombre Lace Front Wig Human Hair. So this is the Fliesdy Highlight Ombre Lace Front Widget's Glueless, pre-plucked, and it's got that 13x4 frontal space so you can do side parts, middle parts, baby hairs, all the things. Here's what I'm loving. The color blend is so soft, not too orange, not too brassy. The density is full but not heavy. You can still run your fingers through it and feel cute. And it's super beginner friendly. Like, I didn't glue anything down today. Just used the straps in the back, adjusted it, and boom, ready to go. Wants to try highlights but is scared of damaging her real hair. Needs a cute switch up for summer or a vacation. Wants that put together but effortless look. Or honestly, just wants to feel pretty without doing the most. Highlight wigs let you play with color in the safest way, and you still get that 100% human hair quality. Look, wigs aren't just about switching up your style. For a lot of us, it's about feeling like ourselves again. Whether it's hair loss, new beginnings, or just loving variety, you deserve to feel beautiful, sis. Oh yeah, that's my little guide to the best human hair wigs to buy this year. If you've got a favorite wig or a go-to brand, drop it in the comments. I want to hear what you love. And hey, if this video helped even a little, give it a like. Subscribe if you're feeling the vibe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming wig tips, hauls, and styling tricks. You're beautiful. You're enough. And your crown? Honey, it's adjustable. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.